Ultimate Skincare.
So marami nagtatanong, ano ba yung GHKCU na yan or copper peptide na palagi kong ini-story at saka pinopost ko sa feed ko. Itong peptide na to, ito lang naman yung ultimate skincare ko. Let's discuss, what is GHKCU or copper peptide? GHKCU or GHK copper is a naturally occurring peptide in the body called glycyl L-histidyl L-lysine bound to copper. It's widely studied in regenerative medicine and anti-aging research. When used as an injection, the idea is to deliver it systemically so it can affect multiple tissues instead of just the skin. Here are the main potential benefits of GHKCU or GHK copper peptide injections. It's one of the strongest research areas. It stimulates collagen and elastin production, improves skin elasticity and thickness, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, improves skin tone and texture. Studies show that copper peptides can significantly improve skin appearance and collagen synthesis. Kaya di na ako nagtitake ng mga collagen, na mga iniinom, something like that, because this is really enough. Imagine this peptide stimulates your body to create its own collagen. So, noon guys, I remember, ang dami kong binibili na sometimes kinilo na collagen powder, something like that. And like, I spent a lot of money sa skincare. Ngayon, I don't have any other skincare na. Like, I'm just taking this peptide. I remembered noon, guys, ang dami-dami kong nilalagay sa face ko, niacinamide, vitamin C, kung ano ng mga serum, moisturizer, toner, kung ano-ano lang nilalagay ko sa face. Yung skincare, like our ritual before matulog, magpa-face mask pa, kung ano nung mask pa dyan nilalagay ko. Pero ngayon, guys, when I met GHKCU or GHK Copper, wala na ako other skincare, guys. Like, GHK Copper really did a lot of wonders to my skin. Nakakat talaga ako sa cost when it comes to skincare when I met GHKCU or GHK Copper. The second benefit of GHK Copper is faster wound healing. GHK Copper helps repair damaged tissue by stimulating collagen formation, attracting immune cells to wounds, and promoting angiogenesis or new blood vessels. This can speed up recovery from injuries, burns, or surgical wounds. The third benefit of GHK copper is hair growth support. Research suggests it may increase hair follicle size, extend the anagen growth phase ng hair, inhibit DHT production which is linked to hair loss. Some studies show that the effects is similar to 5% minoxidil in certain parameters. And the fourth one is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. GHK copper can reduce inflammatory cytokines, decrease oxidative stress, support tissue recovery. This is why some biohackers use it for muscle, joint, or injury recovery. The fifth benefit ng GHK copper is tissue and stem cell regeneration. Some lab studies show that it can stimulate stem cell activity, improve tissue remodeling, and support bone and cartilage repair. This is part of why it's considered a regenerative peptide. The sixth benefit ng GHK copper is possible brain and nerve benefits. Early research suggests it may increase nerve growth factors, support nerve regeneration, and improve memory and cognitive resilience. Yun yung mga benefits ng GHK copper. If you have question, you can ask it on the comment section or send me a message directly. Sa dami-daming benefits ng GHK copper, make sure that you're getting it from a reliable source, guys. Do you want to know an authentic and reliable source ng GHK copper? Just comment GHK copper sa comment section. Peace out.